Hey guys, the next section we're going to be working on is 5.2, which is rates and unit pricing. So when we talk about rates, what is a rate? So whenever a ratio compares two quantities that have different units, then that ratio is called a rate. And you want to make sure that neither of those units can be converted into each other. So what are some rates that we might be familiar with? So one rate that I know we're all familiar with is miles per hour, right? We see that all the time. We also might see dollars per hour. We could see miles per gallon. We could see dollars per pound. Say we're trying to buy deli meat at a grocery store or something. And if you're talking about maybe interest rates, you could talk about something like percent per year. So these are some rates that you may have seen. Notice that none of these can be converted into the other, right? So when we're looking at this first one, miles can't be converted into hours, right? Dollars can't be converted into hours, same with the rest of these, right? So we couldn't have a rate, say that was minutes per hour, right? That doesn't really make sense. Right, we know there's 1 minute, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, but that's not considered a rate, right? That's just a regular ratio, okay? So let's do an example using a rate. So let's say a train travels 110 miles in 2 hours. I'm asking you, what is the train's rate? Of course, in miles per hour. So remember, a rate is a ratio, right? But it's a ratio where the two units are different and they can't be converted into each other, right? And we know just from before, miles cannot be converted into hours, so we're all set. So first, since we know it's a ratio, let's write that as a ratio. So let's write it as a ratio of miles to hours. So just like we did in the previous video, we would write this as 110 to 2, right? And then we would want to write that as a fraction, right? We don't usually do math with the ratios. We would usually turn them into a fraction and then do the math with that. Right, so let's turn that into a fraction. And of course you want to keep the labels just so we know what's going on. Okay, and now that we have a fraction, we can simplify this, right? So how do we simplify this? We would divide by 2 on the top and the bottom, right? And what do we get? We would get 55 over 1, or just 55 miles per hour, right? And again, miles per hour here, that's the same as writing it